Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this unique and very delicious Gulab Jamun made with sweet potato. That's correct. If you have a sweet potato, just make sure you try this recipe. It's super delicious and you won't find any difference between the regular Gulab Jamun and the sweet potato Gulab Jamun. I'm going to go ahead and start the recipe. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Here I have 1.5 cup of sugar in a bowl and I've added 2 cups of water. To this I've added 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and just give it a quick stir just to combine them together. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or a lime juice, that's fine too. And if you want to use the zest a little bit, that is also fine. Go ahead and put in the stove top on a medium low heat, and now we want to simmer them until it gets nice and thick syrup. So now I'm going to just set it aside. While this is cooking, I'm going to here peel the sweet potato. I boiled it and I'm going to peel the skin off. Now when you boil the sweet potato, you want to make sure it's not overcooked, not too soggy or not too soft. It has to be cooked just enough. Now I'm going to grate them, and because the reason we don't want any kind of lumps in it. Now go ahead and knead them until it's nice and soft without any kind of lumps in it. Now it's nicely kneaded. Now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl so that we can mix all the ingredients together. Here I have 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, green cardamom powder. Here is my secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of paneer grated. If you want to use koya, go ahead and use koya as well, that's okay. Here I have 4 tablespoon milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Don't use more baking soda. Now go ahead and combine them. If your sweet potato is more of very sticky, then you can add up to 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour or more, depending on how much you want. I've added only 2 tablespoons. Now go ahead and make a nice smooth soft ball. Once you know the ball is holding a shape, then it's time for you to roll it down. I am adding some dry fruits just to show you guys. It's optional. If you want, you can use it. Just oil a little bit in your hand and go ahead and shape the ball. Now make a small incision and put the dry fruits or dry nuts, whatever you prefer. If you want to, go ahead and close it and make it a nice shape without any crack. That's important. Make sure there is no cracks, because when we fry it will tend to break. Since it's a sweet potato, we want to make sure there is no crack. Now my oil is already preheating on a medium heat. We want to make sure it's medium low heat. We don't want to fry them so quick. You want to fry them same like Gulab Jamun on a low heat, so it slowly cooks and doubles in size. That's what we are looking for. Just keep gently stirring the oil, not the Gulab Jamun, not the dough itself. Now once you see it's nice and golden deep color, you can remove it and set it aside. Do the same with the rest of the dough that you got. Now here my syrup is nice and thick. I'm going to turn it off, and my Gulab Jamun balls have cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to add that to the hot syrup and give it little shake, and then cover it and set it for at least 2 to 3 hours to soak all the liquid in it. And once that is done, it's ready to be served. Just garnish with any kind of nuts you want and it's ready to be served. It's super delicious, and I will show you. Look at that inside. It doesn't even look like you are making a Gulab Jamun with the sweet potato. It's super soft, as you can see, and inside it just looks like our regular Gulab Jamun and tastes delicious. It has no difference between the regular. If I have to feed this to someone, they would not even know that I made this with the sweet potato. So this is a great way to use your sweet potato, leftover sweet potato from home, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys, bye.